NASA plans to return to the moon through its Artemis program, which aims to send humans back to the moon by 2024. The program has several components, including the development of new spacecraft, rockets, and technologies that will enable long-term human exploration of the moon and eventually Mars. The Artemis program involves the following components. Orion spacecraft. NASA is developing the Orion spacecraft, which will be used to transport astronauts to the moon. The spacecraft is designed to be more spacious and advanced than previous spacecraft, such as the Apollo command module. It will be able to carry 4 astronauts and will be equipped with advanced life support systems, radiation protection, and other features to ensure the safety and comfort of the crew. Space Launch System, SLS, rocket. The SLS rocket will be the most powerful rocket ever built and will be used to launch the Orion spacecraft and other components of the Artemis program. It will be capable of carrying more than 26 metric tons of cargo to the moon, including the Orion spacecraft, lunar landers, and other equipment. Lunar Gateway. The Lunar Gateway is a small space station that will be built in orbit around the moon. It will serve as a staging point for missions to the moon's surface and as a research platform for studying the moon in deep space. It will also provide communication and navigation support for astronauts on the moon. Lunar landers. NASA is working with commercial partners to develop new lunar landers that will be used to transport astronauts from the Lunar Gateway to the moon's surface. These landers will be reusable and will be able to carry up to 4 astronauts and scientific equipment. Artemis Base Camp. NASA plans to establish a permanent presence on the moon by building a lunar base camp. The base camp will provide a place for astronauts to live and work for long periods of time and will include habitats, laboratories, and other infrastructure. The Artemis program aims to achieve several objectives, including scientific research. The program will conduct scientific research on the moon's geology, environment, and resources. This research will help us understand the moon's history and potential as a resource for future exploration. Human exploration. The program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by building a base camp and conducting long-term missions. This will help us develop the technologies and capabilities needed for future missions to Mars and beyond. Commercial partnerships. The program involves working with commercial partners to develop new technologies and capabilities that will enable sustainable human exploration of the moon and beyond. This will also help stimulate economic growth and create new opportunities for businesses and industries. Overall, the Artemis program represents a significant step forward in human space exploration. It aims to build on the legacy of the Apollo program and expand our knowledge and capabilities in space. With new technologies and partnerships, we will be able to explore the moon and beyond like never before.